Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add event on your calendar in your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to open calendar, and in the calendar you just click on plus here. So just click on plus and here you will see new event. So in the title you need to write title of event, for example work. Here in the location you just choose location where you want to add this event, for what place, and after you just choose for all day or not all day it takes this event. So here after you choose from what time it starts and for what time it ends, repeat. So if you want to repeat notifications for this event or not, how much time it takes to travel to this event, and here you choose your calendar. And also you can add attachments here, for example some of your attachments, and just click add. So after it will successfully add, here you can see our event. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.